Connecting to the emergency call center.
불처럼 가열차게 달리겠습니다. 오늘부터 한 달하고도 서울을 꽉 한 달부터 본방 사수하신 인클러라면
Oh my goodness. Oh. Shh. What the hell? I'll have to do a double take on that. That looked like a box of oranges or something. Empty, thankfully. Come on. What are you doing? Go. Move, you fucking idiots. Stupidity! An idiot?
To go see Dr. James Andrews here, but it won't slow down her push any. We're still working her into segments to sell merch.
There's idiot. Beat later. Ute. Just jumps lanes, no indicator as I'm coming along. Goddamn knuckle dragger.
Knee-jerk booking at best, in my opinion.
December of '97, they start the big push for the Dude Love character, or they're doing it again. I guess they did it
Whoa,
this summer.
what an idiot. That clown just cut off the Ranger. I mean, okay, it's a Ranger driver, so, you know, barely human, but still. Hey. Oh, really? Sees me there at the mirror, looks at me and goes, fuck you, I'll just keep coming. Seriously. I'm right here, I hit the horn to warn you, and you just look in the mirror and go, fuck you.
Go fuck yourself.
Fuck, man, we can do more. We can do this. We can do that. And you want more.
Success is addicting.
It is, and work is addicting, and it's...
Well, you fucking
it's a lot of fun.
Stupid
So I mean,
prick.
I said work. I don't know that I've ever had to really work.
During COVID.
It was a cool cut, but then you see called it as werewolves cats before, and I know. Oh, Jesus. Fucking hell. Searching for a home with a
days when I did press the plus button, the system was so full it couldn't cope with the amount of paper. Oh, shit.
They're gonna blow fire in your face, you fucking donkey!
questions. And I was just like, oh, I wanted to connect back and go, thank you. Thought I better not. So that was quite nice.
What are you doing, you?
Very sweet. Yeah, look, they are really lovely guys. And this is a really beautiful record. And the first song on it is the song we're going to hear. It's called Cut Myself Loose. And the whole album is this sort of journey of 24 hours for the main character in the album. And beginning the journey.
Really? What a fucking surprise. Really?
And he's gonna go into a driveway.
Oh, you're fucking joking. Fat cunt.
You don't have to pay $100 every month, although it's $100 worth of. Dashcam! Oh, yes! Yes!
Oh, fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Roger, you're fucking a
He just drove through a red light.
He just drove through a red light. The guy was here. He just drove through the middle of the car through a red light. And there's a police car right
On
there.
the other side of the road.
It's a bit like you.
Do you want that to be like that, Tomcat? Is that what you want? Yeah? Oh. Fuck me. Do it. Do it. Fuck me. Fuck me.
And it knocked everything sideways. There may be 3 men in a whole street.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
So that's a very important, very rapid response. And that AHP facility has done a very, very good job already this morning. So it is really important that all of us consider the 3 things that we each need to do to keep ourselves, our families and our community safe. We have cancer, no matter how much, so